Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm starting a new series and it's called, what is it called? It's gonna be called, wait, what was the name? Artful host,
The art of hosting.
The art of hosting. And today's episode 1. Valentine's Day is coming up. Today I'm having a little Galentine's dinner with my girlfriends. It's actually, they're coming here in an hour and I still have so much to do. And I'm gonna take you along. Today is gonna be focused on setting a table beautifully and intentionally. My number 1 tip, when you're out antiquing or thrifting, always look for beautiful serveware. Serving forks, serving spoons, beautiful serving dishes, little olive pickers, whatever it is, these little things really make a table setting look set apart and look beautiful and really intentional and detailed. And so I've been collecting, so I'm gonna pull from my personal collection today. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but we'll see how this turns out. This tablecloth is from Zara Home, and it's just the perfect linen tablecloth. I always like to start with some sort of centerpiece that then influences the rest of the table. And I recently got this beautiful iron, I think, shell bowl. It's insane. Okay, so we're gonna put her there. I'm actually gonna put the drinks in there. What the heck was that? If you don't already know, I'm a bit of a hot mess, but I feel like most creative people are, so that's how I console myself. It's Galentine, so of course everything's pink and red. I hope my ice is iced. Please, Jesus. No! My first tip for artful hosting, what's it called? What's it called? The art of hosting. My first tip for the art of hosting is plan ahead.
Oh God, this is you're on a YouTube video.
This is what not to do. You plan ahead more than I am so that you're not scrambling and sweating. Scratch that. I'm gonna put flowers in here. I have these vintage flower frogs I got from the thrift store, so I'm gonna put it in the bottom here, fill it with water, and then we're gonna put some tulips and some other flowers. Let's do, this is low-key gonna be so beautiful. Put some 1 flower in. I've never actually used a flower frog, you guys. What have I been doing all my life? I know.
That's very pretty. You could even spread out drinks in there.
Well, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna put ice and drinks. Do both at the same time!
That's what I'm saying.
Oh my word. These are how ideas are born, baby. Hosting our... Why can't I remember the name of this series?
The art of hosting.
The art of hosting. The art of hosting with your host, Hot Mess. Oh crap. Ow! Okay, they're really pointy, these flower frogs, FYI. These are just spray roses I got from Trader Joe's. And I think spray roses are so beautiful. I think that's pretty. I would like to fritz with it more, but I don't have time. So, let's fill her with water. All right, so now we have our centerpiece. Now I'm gonna get all my dishes that I wanna use for the different foods. I just got these amazing shell bowls at the antique shop. This is my sister here to help and save the day.
Yeah, I'll link my socials over here.
I tried to paint on my sourdough. I'm gonna learn how to do this better. It looks super sad, so we're just gonna cut it up so nobody can see it and put it in a bowl, but for now I'm gonna put it here. I'm just starting to put food out, like getting the olive oil for the bread and some cheese. I'm gonna put some crackers out and some olives just so I have things set because I still need to cook some food. I have a big stock of tapers in my house because every time I go to a thrift store or estate sale, I always grab candles. So I have a few pink ones, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. As you can see, I picked foods that were like in the purple pink family. I think that thinking about what color scheme you want for a meal can totally change the outcome. Just as far aesthetically, like it's so satisfying when all the foods just, the color palette just blends together. And so that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite little, I don't even know what to call them without telling you the name, but these olive pickers, they're mother of pearl olive pickers. They make me so happy. It really is the little things in life. Like what? Do you see how that adds? Oh my gosh. I always get my napkins from Marshall's. They have the best decorative napkins. So mix some greens. I added some radicchio in there, and now I have to add some radishes because they add another fun pink touch. Some pasta. This is some feta with tomatoes. There was a feta pasta that went viral last year. It's a really easy, simple, yummy pasta recipe. I'll link it down below.
Here we observe Bridget on a ordinary weeknight preparing for company. Usually looks like a crazed lunatic running around, sweating, and just like trying to figure out what to do the whole time. And yet somehow it winds up looking like this, which I think is pretty impressive. This woman just never ceases to amaze me. She is just the apex of womanry. When I think of just like Proverbs 31 woman, this is what I imagine.
Okay. I'm gonna put some of these drinks in the front. I hope that you love the finished product as much as I do, and I hope that this video inspires you to host a gathering in your home. Make it special. Just have fun and play and use that creativity that God gave you. I really think that opening your home to someone is one of the most beautiful ways to bless someone, to make them feel loved and welcomed, and it's no small thing. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for being here, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao!